Welcome to Discover Agriculture. Preparing garden soil is the foundation for a healthy, productive garden. Properly conditioned soil promotes strong plant growth, improves nutrient absorption, and enhances water retention. Here's a step-by-step video on how to prepare garden soil. First, determine whether your soil is sandy, clay, loamy, or silty. Loamy soil is ideal for most plants, as it offers a good balance of moisture retention and drainage. Test the pH level of your soil using a simple soil test kit. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, 6 to 7, but some plants may require more specific pH ranges. Remove any weeds, rocks, or debris from the garden area. Ensure the soil surface is clean so roots can penetrate without obstruction. Use a garden fork, spade, or tiller to break up the soil to a depth of at least 12 to 18 inches. Loosening the soil improves air circulation and root growth. For clay soils, add organic matter like compost or aged manure to improve texture and drainage. If your soil retains too much water, consider adding sand or organic material to improve drainage. For heavy clay soils, incorporating gypsum can help improve structure and break down compacted soil. Organic compost, leaf mold, or well-rotted manure should be mixed into the soil to provide essential nutrients. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic matter over the garden bed and mix it into the top 8 to 12 inches of soil. Organic matter helps retain moisture, supports beneficial organisms, and improves soil fertility. Based on your soil test results, you may need to add specific fertilizers to address nutrient deficiencies. For example, nitrogen promotes leafy growth, phosphorus encourages root development, and potassium aids in flower and fruit production. Use slow-release organic fertilizers to maintain long-term soil health. After preparing the soil, apply a layer of organic mulch to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain a steady temperature. Mulch also breaks down over time, contributing additional organic matter to the soil. If possible, prepare your garden soil a few weeks before planting. This gives the organic matter time to integrate with the soil and allows beneficial microorganisms to become active. Preparing garden soil is an essential step in cultivating a successful garden. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, properly prepared soil ensures your plants receive the nutrients and support they need for healthy growth. With just a bit of preparation, your garden will be ready to flourish. Thanks for watching Discover Agriculture, and see you next time with more farming insights.